In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve time off requests in Hubstaff. If you manage a team and need to review employee time off, Hubstaff makes the process very quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find a request and approve it in just a few clicks, so you can keep schedules organized and make sure your team stays informed. To begin, open Hubstaff and go to the area where you can see the calendar. This is where time-related information is organized, including requests for time off. Once you're there, look for the arrow beside the calendar. Click that arrow to open the related options. This step is important because it gives you access to the section where time off items are listed, rather than just the regular calendar view. After clicking the arrow, find and select Time Off Request. This will take you to the place where submitted requests can be reviewed. Here, you'll be able to see the details of the request that needs your attention. Before moving forward, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you're looking at the correct request, especially if you manage multiple people or several requests at once. Next, click on Action. This is the menu that contains the response options available for the request. If you don't immediately see it, just pause for a moment and make sure the request is selected properly. In most cases, the action option appears clearly alongside the request details. From the Action menu, click Approve. Once you do that, the time off request will be approved in Hubstaff. This updates the request status and helps ensure the calendar reflects the approved time away. It also helps keep records accurate for planning, scheduling, and team visibility. And that's it. The process is simple. Click the arrow beside the calendar, open Time Off Request, click Action, and then click Approve. If you'll be handling requests regularly, getting familiar with this flow can save time and help you respond more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to approve time off requests in Hubstaff clearly and confidently.